Whoa, yes. You'll see. What do we got? Oh, is this not a shark? I think we might have another shark on. I'll just put this on. Yeah. Okay. Yep. We have a shark. Well, maybe not. Heavy. Towed 3 k's an hour. I'm getting towed. That's crazy. Oh, did it get off? Or was it just coming up to bite me? Oh my god. No, it's coming up. What is it? Yeah, I think that's a shark. Yep. Another shark. What sort of shark is it this time? Hammerhead. Another one. Bigger than last week's. Yeah. Not ideal. Can you see that? I wonder if you can see that. I really don't want to retie. Like it's big. Yeah, look at that. Wow. What can I do if I could get it to the part of the leader with a hook? That would be nice. Oh. Okay. I'll see if I can get up closer. If you look at it, but definitely don't want it too close. Fuck's sake. Well, that is a big one. There's a cord again. It's in the mouth. It is in the mouth. Wow. Heavy. Look at that. I can just get to there. Oh yeah. Hammerheads don't jump out the water, do they? Shit. I think I've played with them enough. Come here. Wrap it. Oh. Need a sharp knife. Oh fuck. Come on. Oh, for fuck's sake. There we go. And we're off. Whew. Fuck, that was hectic. That was a pretty big shark. I reckon that would have been close to 2 meters. If not, I mean, maybe 2 meters or more. Fuck it, it was 5 meters. Jesus. Anyway, retie, another bait on. Hopefully you don't catch another shark. See ya.